We kind of got scammed today. I don't wanna, like, seriously? Oh my god. It has mold and the other side has a, like, yellow marks.
You know what? He told me about the other car.
And the bus won't stop there. So we have to figure it out what to do. Like, what's working in this hotel?
Don't shift the energy.
Rishikesh had always been on my list for its stunning scenery and reputation as a peaceful, spiritual retreat. I had high hopes, but my excitement quickly faded after a series of unexpected twists. Staying in Delhi NCR was challenging. The city life and air pollution just aren't for me anymore. So, my high school friend Kunjan, who used to travel around North India with me back in 2010, and I decided to head to Rishikesh for some healing and relaxation.
We're going to Rishikesh!
But our trip didn't start off smoothly. We missed our bus to Rishikesh right from the beginning.
So, we are going to Rishikesh by bus, and we were supposed to go to this bus stop called Kashmir Gate, and we realized that we actually have to go to other places called some further away. So we just changed. We just request our driver to go to that place. And meanwhile, we just wanted to double check what's happening. And she just contacted customer service, and then they're saying,
They're not even giving me a call back. It's like, chat with us. Why should I chat with the customer care?
So basically, we're not gonna catch the bus. And we have another friend coming all the way from the other side, which is gonna take 40 minutes, and the bus won't stop there. So we have to figure it out what to do. What a trip. So we're figuring out. We don't know what's happening. We might not catch the bus. Good morning, everyone. We didn't sleep, but good morning to you. Sorry, why are you sad?
Just the
We got a
change of
cab.
plans.
It's fine. We got a cab. We're going more comfortably with a car. So all good.
And we can stop him anywhere we want.
Yeah, I think I need to pee soon. So
And I need to poop.
okay, you know that I'm recording. You know, like that was too much information.
Pee is fine.
But seriously, like,
I need to pee.
But seriously, I feel like I create a drama. Wherever I go, there's a drama. I have no idea why. Our cat has arrived, and also other friend Radhika is there. Everyone's here. We just need to go. We just need to go. That's all. Hopefully, nothing happens afterwards. But we have to walk. And we lost one of our friends. Like, we don't know where she is. Alright, Papa. How far is he going, man? Alright, boyo. Wait. Yo. Hi, Radhika! Nice to meet you. How are you? Hi! Oh my god, this is... AC?
हाँ एसी चलेगा एसी लाओ सामान लाओ
I'm fine. You don't want? You don't want? Then don't. If you don't want.
He told me about the other car.
Then tell him.
मैम वो वाली गाड़ी साफ नहीं थी इसलिए मंगाई
He's saying that one was not that clean and I asked for the clean one. Is it clean?
It's okay, not bad. How long is it gonna take? 2 hours? I guess approximately 4.5. You wanna do a self-introduction? You want to?
My name is Radhika. I am from Delhi, India.
What do you do?
I am a singer.
Nice.
Sing for me.
Where's your guitar?
I forgot my guitar.
And then what you're going to do?
Anyway, I'll sing for you.
Take it.
Such a nice room.
newly constructed.
Yeah. That's why it takes only 4 hours, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise,
yeah,
it takes longer.
Yeah. It used to take around 6 to 7 hours before.
Wow. It's very clean and nice highway.
Another sprouts short.
Is it aloo paratha? Yeah. Okay.
Prediction आ रही थी ना
Thank you. Wow.
Pani is very nice. The puris are also nice.
This is so good.
Pani puri this good.
I mean, this is so good actually. I actually like this one the most.
Yeah.
Right?
Same.
Right?
I like this.
This is like
He told me this is orange flavor.
orange flavor.
Yeah.
अरे यार.
He's drunk.
He's drunk. अरे. Like seriously? Oh my god! It has mold, and the other side has a like yellow marks. Like
That is
I'm
what I
not.
had
I'm
on my sheets. That is what I was telling her.
exactly. I mean, we're not being sensitive at all. And yeah, first day in Rishikesh, we are having another drama. Yeah. Like, what's working in this hotel?
एक बार अच्छा खाएगी.
So guys, we kind of got scammed today. Like, I mean, in terms of the place,
I think in terms of the reviews.
I just wanted to
How
ask
about
you if I
the
just
flavors?
feel
I know.
this way or you also felt the same way. That's why I was asking. But it seems
I
like you
felt
also
it.
felt the
I
same
felt
way.
it.
Yeah, I don't want to blame
As
it.
soon as I came in the room, I told her I don't feel like taking the sheets.
Yeah.
I felt there was a
It was dirty.
faulty smell
It was there.
the moment we entered this room. So we decided
How about
this is the
Yeah.
reason I kept one in my bag today.
Just in case. Okay.
Dekho, what's simple है? We are paying for the amenity in the hotel. Simple as that. I need a clean bed, some clean sheets.
Yeah.
I just messaged him. He didn't reply anything about it.
Let's go downstairs and talk.
Even the wardrobe was dusty, and the things that piss me off are toilet paper,
And there's no hot water.
towel.
No, probably we're just expecting too much because it's called
Is it too
penthouse. No, as in, it's not also like a 5-star hotel. So, I mean, of course, those are basics to me as well, but still. But yeah, that's why I feel like I feel scammed. Yeah.
Arey yaar, even we go to some local hotel in Gurgaon, they also provide these things.
Still, I mean, like, by seeing the reviews, you also expect a lot of things from the place.
Not even one person said it.
Yeah, I mean, it was literally like a 0, like a 9 out of 10.
I think
And
those
there-
are fake reviews.
And there are
Yeah.
no places at 9. So I was like, oh, probably this is a really nice place. And like since we got a penthouse, I mean, it's not bad, but still, I thought we gonna.
I like the vibe. Mm-hmm. It's not bad.
It's not bad, but as we talked about it, like the area is like so off.
Shady.
Yeah, like I got scared actually.
And the road, how steep.
I don't think it's safe to also drive a scooty because I didn't feel even comfortable coming by car as well. So anyway, but that's why I feel like I got scammed. But of course, it's not literally we got scammed, but I feel like it cheated. You know.
All right. Can you please come upstairs? How much time do you need? Probably an hour. You guys know better. I'm not very good at it. I can have it. I will.
It's better
That
not to
makes
waste our
sense.
energy, you know?
Yeah.
We will get refund anyway tomorrow.
Not for the 2 days.
I am talk. I
Not
talk
for
about
today. We've been
experience.
already here. We checked
I
in.
talk about experience. We had the worst
amount.
experience.
We don't need to be rude though.
No, it's fine. I am saying this was our day one and we can completely talk about it. We can make our point.
But for नहीं
That
आना
makes
चाहता.
sense.
Again and again you're telling me he booked the expensive room. Actually he booked the expensive room. That's what I'm saying. At least don't shift the energy.
I feel sick already. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah. He kept on saying that I gave you the most expensive room. And I was like, nahi bro. We took the most expensive room.
We paid, like, it's not like we stay
it.
for free, man.
Exactly.
Anyway, it's over. Let's forget it. We're heading to a better place. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna eat nice food.
Yes.
We're gonna chill. We're gonna meditate, do
need good
yoga.
food.
We're gonna be okay. What the fuck? Ending.